Today I discuss part 3 of the chapter Plane Figures. In part 1 and part 2 we discussed different types of triangles and quadrilaterals. And in this part 3, I discuss about circle, semicircle and quarter circle and their area and perimeter. And then I'll take some questions based on circles and some more questions which are based on the combination of triangle, square and circles. Let's start. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and area of the circle is pi r square, where the value of pi is approximately 22 by 7 and r is the radius of the circle. Semicircle. Its perimeter is half the circumference of the circle, so it is half of 2 pi r and plus 2 radius are there in semicircle. So altogether the perimeter of a semicircle is pi r plus 2r and area is half of the area of the circle, so that is half of pi r square. Quarter circle means 1/4 of a circle. Hence its perimeter is 1/4 the circumference of the circle plus 2 times the radius. So altogether the perimeter is pi r by 2 plus 2r and area of a quarter circle is 1/4 the area of the circle. This question number 8, is a very simple question on circle. The question says, the circumference of a circle is 308 meter. Find its radius and area. According to formula, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and here according to the question the value is 308 meter. Hence 2 pi r is equal to 308. Therefore r is equal to 308 by 2 pi. The expression for r further is 308 multiplied by 7 whole divided by 2 multiplied by 22, where the value of pi is 22 by 7. The expression is simplified and the value of r obtained is 49 meter. Next is area of the circle, that is pi r square, and we get the expression 22 by 7 multiplied by 49 square. After simplifying the expression, the value obtained is 7546 meter square. Final result, the radius of the circle r is equal to 49 meter and area of the circle is 7546 meter square. Let's take another simple question on circle. The question number 9, and it is, a train runs with a uniform speed. If the diameter of the wheel is 42 centimeter and the wheel makes 1200 revolutions per minute, then find the speed of the train. As we know, the linear distance covered by the wheel is 2 pi r in one revolution, and this 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. The expression obtained is 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 42 by 2, where pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 42 by 2. The expression is simplified and the result obtained is 132 centimeter, that is the circumference of the circle, means that is the linear distance traveled by the train in one revolution of its wheel. The question says the number of revolutions made by the wheel is 1200 in 1 minute. Therefore, the distance traveled in 1 minute is number of revolutions multiplied by circumference. The expression obtained is 1200 multiplied by 132 centimeter whole divided by 60 seconds, where 1200 is the number of revolutions made in 1 minute or 60 seconds and the distance traveled by the wheel in one revolution is 132 centimeter. After simplifying the expression, the result obtained is 2640 centimeter per second. That is the speed of the train. And its speed in kilometer per hour is 95.04. Therefore, speed of the train is 95.04 kilometer per hour. Next question, question number 10. The question says, in the given figure, a rectangle ABCD is inscribed in a circle. Given AB is equal to 28 centimeter, BC equal to 21 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded portion. Observe the diagram. It is clear from the question that the shaded area is the area of the circle minus the area of a rectangle inscribed. As we know, diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and diameter of the circle is equal to diagonals of the rectangle inscribed. Hence, in this diagram, O is the center of the circle and AC or BD, that is diagonal of the rectangle, is the diameter of the circle. Here, the diagonal of the rectangle is obtained using Pythagoras theorem and the result is 35 centimeter. Since diagonal of the rectangle is 35 centimeter, hence the diameter of the circle also is 35 centimeter. Now, area of the circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. The expression obtained is 22 by 7 multiplied by 35 by 2 whole square, where 27 by 2 is pi and the radius r is 35 by 2. After simplifying the expression, we get the result 962.5 centimeter square, and that is the area of the circle. Area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth and is equal to 28 multiplied by 21. The result obtained by this product, 28 multiplied by 21, is 588 centimeter square, and that is the area of the rectangle. According to the diagram, area of the shaded portion is area of circle minus area of rectangle, and that is 962.5 minus 588. This subtraction returns the result 374.5 centimeter square, and that is the area of the shaded portion. Here is the next question, question number 11. The question says, a steel wire bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 centimeters square. The same wire is bent in the form of a circle. Find the area of the circle, or find the area enclosed by the wire. As we know here, it is the length of the wire which connects a square and circle. So the target has to be to find the length of the wire. As the question says, the wire covers a square area of 121 centimeters square. Hence, the side of the square is a square root of the area of the square, and that comes under root 121. That results in 11 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the square is 4 times the side of the square, and the result is 44 centimeter, and length of the wire is 44 centimeter. Since the same length of the wire is used to make a circle, hence perimeter of the square is equal to circumference of the circle, and that is 44 centimeter. And according to formula, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 44, and this equation is simplified to obtain an expression for r, that is 44 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 22, where pi is 22 by 7 and circumference is 44 centimeter. The result obtained after simplification is 7 centimeter, and that is the radius of the circle. Now the area of the circle covered by the wire is 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 square, where 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 7 is the radius of the circle obtained above. The result obtained by the expression is 154 centimeters square, and that is the area of the circle covered by the wire. Here is a tag put on the question, that is, find the area enclosed when the same wire is bent to form an equilateral triangle. Here too, the length of the wire, that was equal to the perimeter of the square, is also equal to the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, the side of the triangle is 44 divided by 3, and area covered is root 3 by 4 into side square, where side is 44 by 3 centimeter. And this expression you can easily simplify to get the area of the equilateral triangle trapped by the wire. Here is another question, question number 12. The question says, observe the given diagram in which ABCD is a square with each side equal to 14 centimeter. 4 congruent quarter circles are drawn with each vertex as center of the quarter circles. Find the shaded area. Observe the diagram, and it is clear from the diagram that the shaded area is equal to the area of the square minus the area of all the 4 congruent quarter circles. So we have to find out the area of the square and area of quarter circle. Area of the square is Side square means 14 square and the result is 196 centimeter square. Area of each quarter circle is 1/4 of pi r square. The expression obtained is 22/7 multiplied by 7 square divided by 4, where pi is 22/7 and radius is 7 centimeter. The result obtained after simplifying the expression is 38.5 centimeter square and it represents area of 1/4 circle. As I said, shaded area is equal to area of the square minus 4 times the area of quarter circle. The expression is 196 minus 4 times 38.5. The value returned by the expression is 42 centimeter square and that is the shaded area. The same question directly be solved by taking the expression area of a square minus 4 times the area of quarter circle. The expression now is 14 multiplied by 14 minus 22 multiplied by 7 square divided by 4. The expression results in 42 centimeter square and that is shaded area. Through this process, unwanted calculations can be avoided. Let's take next question. Question number 13. Observe the figure given below. In a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter, 2 quarter circles are drawn with centers A and C and with the radius that is clear from the diagram. Find the shaded area. Let's observe the diagram. The quarter circle drawn with center A is this one. You can understand. So it is clear that the radius for this quarter circle is either AB or AD. Another quarter circle with C as the center is this one, and from this quarter circle too, it's clear that the radius of this quarter circle is CB or CD. Now it is clear from the diagram that the shaded area is the area of intersection of the 2 quarter circles. Hence, shaded area is twice the area of quarter circle minus the area of a square. So, let's calculate first the area of quarter circle and the area of square. Area of the square is side square, that is 14 square, and the result is 196 centimeter square. Area of quarter circle is 1/4 the area of the circle, that is pi r square. Hence the expression is 22 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14 whole divided by 4 multiplied by 7, where r is the radius of the circle and that is equal to the side of the square 14 centimeter each, and pi is 22/7. After simplifying the expression, it results in 154 centimeter square, and that is the area of 1/4 circle. Finally, shaded area is twice area of quarter circle minus area of a square, and that is 308 minus 196. And finally, the shaded area is 112 centimeter square. This question too can be solved by directly putting all the values in the expression for shaded area, that is twice area of quarter circle minus area of the square. The result obtained for shaded area is 112 centimeter square, and this result is obtained without going through unwanted calculations. Here is your next homework, and in all these three questions you will find that it is a combination of quadrilateral and circle or part of circle. Chapter Plane Figures is completed. It had three parts: different type of triangles, different type of quadrilaterals, and circles, semicircle, quarter circles. And I believe you all could understand the questions I discussed in all these three parts, and you can solve other questions too related to the chapter. Thank you.